guys, today we're going to make some bruschetta. Super easy, very easy. I very feel like bruschetta. It's quickly, easy, and quite cool. Like always, we do cool stuff. Al bacio, mwah. And we are not master chef, but we cook very cool stuff and easy. We need just I gonna for make this bruschetta. I start put some olive oil on the bread as well. Go down like that. I make the bread first and leave that to cook a little bit. I have one burrata, some fresh thyme, and the blueberries. Easy. And I'm gonna use some salt and lemon, okay? As always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. I will turn from other side. Super easy, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys, this bread for me is okay. You know, from other side as well. Put in the plate, and in the same pan with that little bit oil, we put our blueberries. Put very little touch of water. Yeah. Low flame. Some salt. Few minutes, you know. Leave there to cook. Very gentle. You see already? Yeah. Leave to cook a little bit. And the job is almost done. We add some fresh thyme. Like this. Another few minutes they already done. It's like we're gonna have a salty jam. Oh, look at that. Oh, the fresh thyme. I can add a little bit more. Beautiful. Yeah, for me, the job is done. Turn it off. Now we move in the one bowl and we leave them to cool down a little bit. Nice. Now we leave 5 minutes to cool down, and we're gonna we're gonna build our bruschetta. Guys, look at that. Nice and very nice. Now, in this, I recommend you we put some lemon juice, not much, to give that acidity, you know. Delicious. Oh wow. To build our bruschetta, take the burrata by hands, guys. You see? Perfect. Oh, look. Amazing. I wash my hands. Now we add very gentle the blueberries on the top. Look at that. Amazing. Something different. We finish with this fresh thyme on the top. Guys, absolutely fantastic. Oh yeah, beautiful. Guys, what I gonna say? My bruschetta, blueberries bruschetta is this. Always guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!